it's your girl Finale Like Well, and I am back with a new video. I am so excited for this video because this video is of this really just beautiful bag that I got from Cult Gaia. I got this bag like 2 weeks ago and I've been waiting since then to open the bag. I've been waiting to record this video. If you guys know, I live in America, I live in New York, and right now we're like quarantined. So all of that delayed this video, but I'm so excited to unbox this for you guys. I haven't even taken it out of the like bubble wrap or anything. So the main reason why I got this bag is because it looks like art on your arm, and I'm hoping that when I see this bag in person, it's beautiful. Please, please, please. But I feel like it will be because, y'all, literally, I was all up in the comments asking people, like, what color did you get of this bag? People were like, oh, I love this bag, I always get compliments. I was like, oh my gosh, what color do you have? And this one girl was so nice enough to literally send me a video of her holding the bag. So a lot of my followers don't know what color I got. It comes in, white, it comes in brown, and it comes in pink. So my followers still don't know what color I got, so I'm about to show you guys exactly what color I got. And let's open the bag. Let's open the bag because I'm just like too excited. I've never been this excited except for like for a wedding. Okay, bubble wrap is gone. Like I'm like really nervous because like I've never spent this much on a bag. So it comes in this really pretty box. And it has the logo right here. Okay, y'all, I'm about to open it. Oh my gosh! I'm about to open it. I'm about to open it. Let's open it. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Ooh, let me take off this ring. Hold on. Okay. You're not opening. Why not? Okay. Okay. This is some good packaging because it's thick. Ooh, I love this box. Okay. Okay. We're gonna open it. We're gonna look at the bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Hold on. It's in another bag. Okay, so we're gonna take this bag out and now we're gonna see the real bag. Okay. So, ooh. Okay, so it comes in this. Whew, y'all ready? I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my goodness. Ah! Can y'all see this? Y'all, this bag is freaking beautiful. Like, I wanna like cry because this bag is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Like, y'all, I have never seen a bag this beautiful in my life. I don't really know if the cameras pick up the color precisely, but in person, this color, it's pink. So I got the pink, you guys. I got the pink. This color is beautiful. Like, it looks like marble. Y'all, it's like a pink marble color. Yes. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at this bag. Hey. Wow, 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 wow. Cult Gaia, y'all did it with this bag. I'm gonna put this on my arm. Oh my gosh, like this bag is freaking. So it goes like this on your arm. So you hold it like that. I'm wearing my robe right under. I was trying to finesse y'all. Y'all, look. So it goes like this. I saw people holding it like this, but I also saw this is like the main way that you're supposed to wear it. So it's like arm art. Like it's like an arm bracelet. Y'all see that? Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, with the nails. Oh, oh, wow. So I have so much more to say about this bag, which is crazy. And just let you know, like the color of this is pink. It's pink, it's marble. So y'all, it took me like a whole week to decide what color I was getting because I wanted to make sure I got the right color. So this bag, it retails at $398. So I got it from Cult Gaia and that was the price. Of course, you can get coupon codes. I think I got like a 10 or 15% off just for signing their email list. And also right now they're doing 20% off, I think until March 31st, and half of the, I think half or a tenth of the proceeds go to like charity or something like that. But I did not know if I wanted to get the pink or the white. And let me tell you why. So pink to me was like going all the way out. You know, it was like, this is ultimate art. But then white to me was like, I could wear the white with probably a lot of different things. So I was like, you know what? Let me just get the pink, because the pink, it just looks like art. It's really pretty. And if I really like the pink, and if I have more outfit ideas with the white, which I do have probably more outfit ideas with the white, I'll get the white too. Because if I feel like this kind of bag, like I wouldn't mind getting the white too. I love the pink though, like, but I wouldn't mind just getting the white just so I could have options. But I got the pink because I felt like as soon as I wear this, people already noticed it because of that. But I feel like with it being pink, it'll just be like boom, boom, boom. And I also feel like I won't have to even do a lot with my outfit with this. So the votes were split on my Instagram. I did a vote, like a poll, and I asked people to vote for either the pink or the white, and most people could not choose. It's so funny because I was asking people, why did you vote for white? And they're like, girl, I just chose one because I couldn't choose. And I'd be like, why did you vote for pink? They're like, girl, I just chose one, I couldn't choose. But I did hear some really good points about why I should get pink and why I should get white. So the good points about why I should get pink was like, one of my Islamic sisters, Dana, she was like, girl, if I'm gonna get pink like that, I'm just gonna go all the way out. Then one of my coworkers was like, the pink is just really pretty. And then one of my friend's mom, I even had like my friend's mom like help me choose. She was like, the pink is really pretty. And he had said, get the white, but then his mom was like, get the pink. Then he's like, okay, I changed my mind to pink too. So I was like, yo, which one? And so for the white, one of my friends, she voted pink, and I was like, why'd you vote pink? She was like, actually, I changed my mind to white. And I was like, okay, why? She was like, the white gives Chanel vibes. And then someone else was like, the white, you could wear it with more things. But I was like, okay, outside of just like what you can wear things with, what's I guess functional, which one's the most beautiful? Honestly, they're both equally beautiful. I just got the pink because I just couldn't choose. I was like, we just choose the pink because it's like, oh, you know, kind of like the unsafe one. And then I probably will get the white. Like, yeah, this whole Corona thing wasn't going on, I'd probably just get the white right now. Like, this is beautiful. So on the site, it's so funny, they have like a disclaimer that basically that this bag does not fit. Is it open? Let's see. Uh-oh, I'm scared. Oh, it does open. Yeah, okay, so it does open. They have a disclaimer on the site that the bag does not fit a phone, which I thought was really funny. So someone was like, where you put your phone? I was like, if I'm out with you, I'm gonna put it in your pocket. So yeah, that's one thing I want y'all to know. It can probably fit in here like some lip gloss, some money, your train pass, your credit card, but your phone probably have to go like in your bra, in your pocket, or in your man's pocket. So yeah. Also on here, it really has like a pearl effect. Like, it literally looks like a freaking pearl. And that's another thing people said. People were like, oh, well, the white one looks like a pearl, looks like a pearl. This looks like a pearl too. It looks like a beautiful jewel. Over here, it has their logo on it, Cult Gaia. It has their brand name. And I think this is so beautiful. If you guys know me, my favorite color is gold. And I also love jewel tones. Anything that has gold, it's not really hard to sell me with. It's just an easy sale for me. I'll probably buy it. So honestly, what I would say is, I'm probably gonna wear this with like olive green or gold or all white. I'm not sure yet, but I think with this, I think I wanna get like, I wanna just go all the way out. I wanna get like a beautiful, like long, wavy type of frontal weave. And I think I also wanna have like either gold or pink nails like this, because I think my pink nails right now contrast so beautifully with this. But I also think that with this whole outfit, like I think I wanna get like an outfit that's like custom made to go with this, because I think I just want everything I'm wearing to look like art if I'm gonna wear it with this. And I also do think I will get the white, because I just think this bag is one of those things that's just so freaking beautiful. Like, this is just beautiful. And another good point my cousins made was that with the pink, you can see more of the marble effect. Now, I've never seen the white in person, of course, but right now in front of my face with this pink, I do really see the marble effect. And y'all, this bag is freaking beautiful. So that's really it about this bag. Let me know if you guys have any questions. What I will say is this is like art on your body, And I would say, honestly, to be honest, you guys, when I posted this, I even had friends and people like, yo, I want that bag. That bag is so beautiful. Where'd you find this? I found from Cult Gaia. Y'all, their branding, their design, their shipping, everything is on point. Their packaging was quality. Like that packaging, I'm gonna keep the packaging. I love keeping packaging. I think their packaging was so cute. I love keeping cute packaging, not all packaging, okay? If you want this bag, I would say get it. On their site, they also have payment plans. That's what I did. You can pay like, I think every 2 weeks you can pay like a fourth of it. It's with, I think, Sezzle. There's also things like Afterpay and Klarna. It's the same thing. Sezzle's the same thing. And I'm just, I want to give a shout out to my auntie. Actually, both of my aunts. They were like, my auntie was like, girl, get that bag. Is it this much? Is it that much? Whatever it is, get it. And I think that really taught me something about like, there's certain pieces that when you buy, like, you can pass them on. And growing up, my aunts, my mother, my family, they were really into designer bags. And now that I'm older, I was like, yo, these bags were really expensive that they were buying. But basically, designer bags and luxury bags and items like this, you can pass them on. And honestly, this is just to me personally, to me, $400 for a bag, it's expensive, but it's not expensive for a bag like this, because there's bags like Dior bags, Gucci bags that everyone wears. Yeah, it's cool that you're wearing Gucci. Yeah, it's cool that you're wearing Louis Vuitton, but everyone else wears it. And this is like an innovative design for 10% of the price that Gucci costs. Like Gucci bags go for like $2, $3, $4 grand, and this bag is only like $398 on their site. And if you use a coupon code, you know, you could get it for a discount too. And if you use the payment plan, sis, you're good. So y'all, yeah. Y'all, I freaking love this bag. I think this is one of the most beautiful items I've ever seen in my freaking life. Like literally, literally. Like when they say secure the bag, I think this is the bag that you should be securing the bag with. Or wait, no. This is the bag that you should be securing, is this bag. So that is it, you guys. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Would you guys get this in pink, white? Would you guys get this in brown? What would you guys wear this one with? Let me know in the comments. And y'all, I freaking love this bag, y'all. Look at that. Wow.